Hey everybody, I just got a thank you gift from a client that I've been working with recently on the Polo eDrive project. So let's open it up and show you what he sent. So there is a picture album of all of different pictures of the details and the award shows that the Polo has been to. This car has a really awesome panoramic canopy, which I've had to leave out in the design, but he's going to be 3D printing that and putting that in. So it's going to be awesome when it's done. You haven't seen the completed pictures of this yet up online because we're waiting for the big reveal to show that to you. So anyways, I was really pleased with this, and I'm so thankful that Julian had faith that I could pull that project together for him and create something unique in that vehicle, as unique as the vehicle is. It is really a piece of amazing engineering. And he also sent a couple of business cards, which is great. I will tack those on my board. So thank you very much again, Julian, and I can't wait to show the project to everybody else. Have a great day. Bye-bye.